ABC Educational Channel. Hi kids! Today let's have a reading practice. Using basic reading sentences using a phrase I ride. I ride my bike. I ride my bike. Awesome! I ride my bus. I ride my bus. Excellent! I ride Dad with. I ride with Dad. Excellent! I ride a horse. I ride a horse. Awesome! I ride in cars. I ride in cars. Very good. I ride to school. I ride to school. Good job. I ride the carousel. I ride the carousel. Nice. I ride the train. I ride the train. Great! I ride the waves. I ride the waves. Excellent! I ride the scooter. I ride the scooter. Awesome! I ride on swing. I ride on swings. Nice! I ride the roller coaster. I ride the roller coaster. Very good. I ride On the motorcycle. I ride on the motorcycle. Nice. I ride a skateboard. I ride a skateboard. Great. I ride with friends. I ride with friends. Excellent. I ride the pony. I ride the pony. Awesome. I ride on a plane. I ride on a plane. Very good. I ride the Ferris wheel. I ride the Ferris wheel. Good job. I ride the merry-go-round. I ride the merry-go-round. Great. I ride my tricycle. I ride my tricycle. Excellent. I ride the go-kart. I ride the go-kart. Excellent. I ride the subway. I ride the subway. Very good. I ride the zip line. I ride the zip line. Good job. I ride on sleds. I ride on sleds. Nice. I ride on a boat. I ride on a boat. Excellent. Great job, kids. Until next time.